Alrighty, guys. So it looks like the stock market is bouncing back right now pretty nicely. We have the S&P up over 2%, the Nasdaq's up 2.3% as the Russell's up 1.5. Same with the Dow, and the VIX, are you guys ready for this, is down 36%. So we're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm doing in the stock market, and whether or not I think the selling is over. Do I think there's more selling? Do I think we're finally starting to break out now? So we're going to break down a lot. Hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to snag up your free stocks, up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for a limited time will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, come on, what are you waiting for? Use that link, or again, go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So again, we're up all across the board. The VIX is getting destroyed. And yes, we are starting to make a nice move off the lows from yesterday morning, which, by the way, yesterday we hit a fresh low for all the indexes in the morning. So we are up around $21 per share on SPY from yesterday morning, or about 4%. And Triple Q is up a good chunk as well, from 420 now to 446. So we're up around 6% off the lows. But as you pull the layers back a little bit, guys, you'll realize, hold on a second, we're not fully breaking out. We're not. That's the reality of the matter, right? You guys can see on the 30-minute chart here, Triple Q is still under the main 180 moving average, and we're still under the support level from, it looks like, the 25th of July up until the 1st of August. We held about 455. We broke under it. It became resistance, and now we're still under that point. We're noticing that here on Triple Q and on SPY. If I pull it up, come on, load. There we go. Beautiful. We can see here on SPY, we held support at 540 during the end of July into early August, and then boom, we broke under it. It became resistance, and now we're still under that point, right? So that needs to break, and we're also under the 180 SMA on this 30-minute chart. Same thing that we're seeing on Triple Q, right? So we're noticing the selling is still dominating the charts, right? The bears rather are still dominating, but we're still getting a nice little rally. And that's all this is, a little relief rally after the markets got nailed for literally 3 days in a row. SPY went from 555 to 507. That's a 9% drop in a couple of days. Triple Q went down well over 10% in that same time period from, let's see, where was it? 475 to 420. That's a 12% drop. So we were in need of a little dead cat bounce, relief rally, whatever you want to call it. And that's exactly what this is, in my humble opinion. I don't think we're fully out of the woods yet. The selling's all over yet. I don't think that's the case. I could be wrong. Who knows? Maybe the markets have bottomed in the short term, but I just feel like we're coming off of a very data-intensive week last week, and now this week, it's like, all right, we don't have much going on in terms of economic events, data coming out, huge earnings. So now the markets are kind of relaxing. We're getting a bit of that, again, dead cat bounce recovery rally. But I just don't know how long it's going to last. I feel like this is a big resistance coming up on Triple Q in the mid 450s, right? SPY right around, let's see here. Where's the big resistance on SPY? Yeah, about 535, 540. And we're still well under that point. And here on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see what I'm saying as well. We're still seeing a death cross. We're under both moving averages on SPY and on Triple Q. So I'm just saying, guys, relax. Don't get too excited yet. This might not be the full-on reversal yet. But with that being said, guys, I'm still buying stocks. I'm not trying to buy or time, rather, the exact bottom. So I'm still nibbling stocks. I bought some more Amazon today. I actually sold out of some stocks, right? Well, just one stock, and you guys can see that on my Patreon. Shameless plug. You get all my moves on Patreon, link down below. And I bought Amazon. What else did I buy? VTI, which is the total stock market index fund, right, for the U.S. ETF. It's a very good ETF that covers all the U.S. stocks. And I bought McDonald's as well. I bought some more McDonald's. I actually averaged up as I just opened that position not too long ago, right before earnings at about 252. And I bought more today at about 270, 271, as I think this is more of a defensive play. It's holding up very nicely in the midst of the market volatility, market crash type volatility we're getting right now. So I want to have a little more exposure to McDonald's. I'm excited about that one as a more stable, defensive play, if you will. But yeah, man, very interesting times in the markets. And this is, typical market activity. We get some crazy selling, and then we get a nice recovery rally, which unfortunately will suck in a lot of short-term bulls that are trading that think that we're going to fully reverse now. But that might not be the case, like I said. But if you're a long-term investor, it opens up opportunities, right? When selling occurs, when we're getting some red in the markets, this, especially if you're not a short-term trader and you don't care if you time the exact bottom, this opens up great opportunities that, let's be honest, we've been in desperate need of. The markets have been going to all-time high after all-time high. We've been in desperate need of some selling, of some cooling off, so we can get stocks at cheaper valuations. That's the name of the game. The cheaper you can buy stocks, the lower you can buy broad-based market ETFs at the lower price that you can get, the better, right? Because that is you becoming one step closer to your financial goals, the more shares that you can accumulate at cheaper prices, which is why when stocks go down, the ideal thing to do is not panic and sell. Clearly, I need some coffee there, guys. My voice is cracking, but the idea is to buy more, add more to the positions you like, buy more ETFs, average in. That's the goal. So cheers to that, guys. Oh man, that's pretty good stuff right there. But yeah, that's what I'm doing a bit. A bit of buying, a little bit of selling, and I'm very excited about the markets, man. We're in an election year, so that's really the main reason why I don't think this is a full-blown stock market crash. Sure, we might get some more volatility, more selling, no doubt. This could be a bull trap in the short term, but ultimately, looking from now to November, I think we'll recover back to the upside, right? I think the markets will recover, no doubt. But for now, again, maybe a little bit more selling, some more rockiness. But with it being an election year, call me crazy, I think there is going to be a nice recovery. And you're going to be very happy picking up stocks at these prices, which that's what I'm doing, man. I'm buying Amazon, buying McDonald's, buying VTI for now. That's what I did today, and I'm focusing on just a couple of stocks. I'm not buying 20 stocks, spreading my, money thin across 20 stocks. I'm focusing on 3 to 4 that I like right now. Of course, the broad-based ETF, and I'm just pounding the buy button. And yeah, man, that's what I'm doing. What are you guys doing? There we go again, choking. What are you guys doing? And the thing is, guys, I do these all in one take. I'm not editing. I'm not doing this or that. So usually YouTubers edit out when they choke or freaking, stumble on their words. I don't do that. We just do it in one take. That's how it is. So smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe and get your top stocks for Moomoo up to 20 stocks with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below. And don't forget to sign up to the email list if you guys want me to send you for free my top 3 stocks right to your inbox every single Monday morning. That's linked down below. Just put your first name and your email address, and boom, you're going to get my top 3 stocks for free every Monday morning. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.